Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the Chevalier model FSG-3A1224H automatic hydraulic surface grinder with an automatic down increment. The machine has a 12 by 24 inches magnetic chuck on it. It has a coolant unit, hydraulic unit that goes with the machine. So now we're going to give you the demo. Yes, sir. So the spindle has been started. We're gonna make a small part on the machine for the demo purpose. We're gonna make a small part on this machine for the demo. The down increment has been started on the machine. What is the current cut on the down increment, Dave?
4/10.
It's 4/10 of the cut right now going on. The machine is in a great condition. It's gonna be one more down feed increment and then it's gonna do the spark cut. Okay. This is gonna be the last cut on the down feed increment and then it's gonna do the spark cut and it will go to its home position. Oh, one more? All right. So it's gonna spark out when it's gonna go to the zero?
Yeah, when your zero light comes on.
Okay. Oh, here you go. Okay. So right now, is it a spark cut going on? So there's a spark out going on. Spark out cut going on. Now the part is completed and the head is going to his home position. So that completes our video. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.